And we are going to divide you into 3 groups. And before we were going to have that, yung top 10 ngayon, hindi ibig sabihin na, oo, kayo na yung forever na top 10. You still have chance kasi nga, dalawa lang matatanggal sa inyo. Next week, we will be back to square one. Okay? So, 0 po tayo sa next performance nyo. Okay? So, we are going to divide the group into 3. Please move forward. Please move forward. Idol number 10. Move forward. Idol number 14. Please move forward. Idol number 19. Ilan na kayo? Tatlo? Tatlo lang. Muna. Do you think you are all safe? You are all safe. Please move down. Come down. Next, please move forward, number 7. Move forward, number 20. And move forward, number 4. Oh, sorry. Move forward, number 15. Sorry for that. 15. Number 7, you are safe. Be at the center, please. Number 20. It's the end of your road tonight. Good luck and congratulations. And you, from singing Idol of Bugasi, you are safe. And before that, we would like to award your cash prize. And we request the donor, we have the Honorable Jesly James Abadilla. In the absence of Honorable Jesly James Abadilla, we request our ABC President, the Honorable Domingo E. Abian, sir. Yun ang hinahanap natin kanina. Okay, in the absence of our ABC President, we have the Committee Chair on Secretary Wanda, the Honorable SB Member Efred Santos Garcia. Picture naman kay Ricky Asaan. Ayun, dito pala. Ilan na pala kayo lang pala dyan? 4. Okay? Please move forward, number 12. You are safe. Please move forward, number, Uy pa ba kayo? 16! Ano sabihin mo, safe ka ngayong gabi tayo? Safe ka? You are definitely correct. You are safe. At dito, si J-Lord at saka Sina, isa sa inyo ay matatanggal. Ready na kayo? Oh, hold hands na. Hold hands. Hold hands na, dali! Kayo naman? Ala, sige na. Hold hands, J-Lord. Yes. Please move forward. Please move forward, number 5. Maybe you are safe. Sheena, it's the end of your road tonight. Good luck sa iyong journey. At saka congratulations din kasi nanalo ka ng cash prize. So again, we request the Honorable Efren Santos B. Garcia to award the cash prize.